Hey guys, welcome to the shop. Today we're building a portable workbench. I thought of this concept because I don't have a lot of shop space. The versatility helps me work outside of the shop. As you can see, it's relatively lightweight and it helps me work on job sites as well as extending my shop outside by doubling my space. Special thanks to Rockler for supporting this video and providing all the T-track and accessories. Hope you guys enjoy.
Through the smoke in the mirror, crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.